Hello there, welcome back to Scale Models Midwest. We're glad you're here. Let's check out some models. Two models I have for you today are from my daughter's personal collection. She built the first one, a 1957 Chevy Easy Builder, back when she was about 6 years of age. Pre-painted body, nice stance. She put everything together, including the decals. Sat at the table with her dad while we built the kit together. She really liked it and wanted to start building more kits with me. The second kit is one of those. It's a 2006 Camaro. Again, one of those Revell kits that just really looks good out of the gate, and when put together is just awesome. This is also one where she did use a little bit of model cement, but mostly it was a snap title kit. She actually helped do the painting and the sanding on the kit, so all the work that you see here is from, I think, about the age of 11, maybe 12, and I'd say for a second effort, not bad. We've got quite a few other cars and trucks and stuff that she's built that we'll show over the next few videos, but for now, enjoy, like, and subscribe, and if you have any suggestions for models that we can build, please put that in the comments section below. Thanks for watching.